students. Today I will teach the storage of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are storage in many ways, like your zero energy cool chamber, cold storage, hyperbaric storage. First we'll discuss the zero energy cool chamber. It is based on the principle on direct evaporating cooling system. It does not require any electricity or power to operate. The material required to make this chamber are cheap and available easily. The construction of zero energy cool chamber: select an upland having a nearby source of water supply. Make floor with brick 165 cm by 115 cm. Erect the double wall to a height of 67.5 cm, leaving a cavity of 7.5 cm. Drench the chamber with water. Soak the fine riverbed sand with water. Fill the 7.5 cm cavity between the double wall with this wet sand. Make top with bamboo, that is 116 cm by 115 cm frame, and silky straw or dry grasses. A thatch or thin shade made over chamber to protect from direct sun or rain or snow. This is a picture of zero energy cool chamber. This is a picture of series of zero energy cool chamber. The water is connected in a tank which is flow in the double wall cavity like in picture. Then how it is operate: keep the sand, brick and top cover of the chamber wet with water. Water twice daily, that is morning and evening, to achieve desired temperature and relative humidity. Alternatively, fix a drip system for watering with plastic pipes and micro tubes connected to an overhead water source. Store the fruit and vegetable in perforated plastic crates. Cover the crates with thin polythene sheet. Cool chambers should be reinstalled once in a 3 year with new bricks. Utilize the old brick for other purpose. Then scope of cool chamber. Proposed cool chamber can be installed in different places of handling of fresh produce. In present practice, fruits and vegetables arrive in the wholesale market early the morning and purchased by the retailer or consumer before the noon. At present, fruits and vegetables are handled in open shed. The freshness is prone to considerable deterioration. It is suggested that a battery of such commercial size cool chamber can be installed in wholesale market which are located near the big metropolitan cities. Units can be installed in two rows with a corridor in between. Each unit will have two doors, one opening into corridor and the other into loading and unloading platform. The ducts are open on roadside as well as on the corridor. An overhead tank can perform the soaking of sidewall and tanks. The trucks can perform the loading and unloading on the platform of each shed. Fruits and vegetables stored temporarily in a cool chamber unit before the transition can retain freshness and the quality. Then evaporated cool storage. It is best short-term storage of fruits and vegetables at farm level. It helps the farmer to get better returns for their produce. In this structure, horticultural crops reduce traveling and extend their storage life. Cold storage. These structures are extensively used to store fruits and vegetables for a long period and employ the principle of maintaining a low temperature, which reduce the rate of respiration and thus delay ripening. Choice of method depends on the type of the product available, duration of storage required, cost of storage involved and climatic condition of the place where storage is made. Fruits and vegetables after harvesting continue to respire at the expense of stored food material, which depending upon the rate of metabolism decline or accelerate aging, as is evidences by shriveling accompanied by change in texture, flavor and quality. Natural fruit and vegetable respire and lose heat and moisture through natural pores in the skin. Removal of heat from freshly harvested commodity without quality loss is the most desired method for extending storage life of the perishable, which is accompanied by washing them in cold water at the production site, that is for removal of the field heat. After removal of the heat, adequate size of cold storage is required. Storage life of freshly harvested commodity is governed by flowing for the following: prevailing climate, that is temperature, relative humidity and airflow rate, and cultural practices of the region. Then variety and stage of maturity at harvesting, quality of product available during the harvesting season, incidence of infection at the time of harvesting, and type of the crop and their susceptibility to climate. Then method of picking, harvesting, transportation, handling, and the extent of damage prior to storage. Time take between the harvest of the commodity and its subsequent storage. Rate of cooling of products, which greatly varies as per the climatic condition and type of the crop. Storage temperature and relative humidity required and prevailing the harvesting season. Rate of accumulation of carbon dioxide concentration inside the refrigerated storage chamber, which ultimately affect shelf life of the products. Air distribution system in the refrigerated cold room, which help in the maintaining quality of the product. Post harvest treatment, size of package, quality per package, ventilation or air circulation inside the refrigerated storage are important for the storage life. Sanitary condition inside the refrigerated storage room may affect the expected outcome. Cold storage is one of the widely adopted method for bulk handling of the perishable product between production and marketing or processing. Maintaining adequately low temperature is critical, otherwise it will cause chilling injury to the produce. Further, relative humidity of the crop of the storeroom should be kept as high as 80 to 90% for most of the perishable products, below or above, which has detrimental effect on the keeping quality of the produce. Then control atmosphere storage. This is defined as an atmosphere in which oxygen is brought down at low level and carbon dioxide is at high level, created by the natural respiration of the packed commodity or by artificial means. These gases are controlled by the sequence of measurement and correction throughout the storage period, depending upon the type of the fruits, vegetables in the storage. Then, as the method is involved, control of oxygen and carbon dioxide around the immediate surface of the commodity and within the fresh fruits and vegetables, there is reduction in the respiration rate of the commodity. The levels of these gases are maintained by constant monitoring and adjustment within the gas tight store or containers. Owing to respiration, gas level constantly change and they are adjusted to the predetermined level by introducing fresh gas or nitrogen. Then modified atmosphere storage. It is defined as the introduction of an atmosphere other than air into a food package without further modification or control and flushing into the produce enclosure. The maximum the mixture is maintained throughout the storage life and no further measurement or control is required. In modified atmosphere packaging or modified atmosphere storage, A fruit or a vegetable is enclosed in a sealed plastic film which is permeable to respiratory gases. Within the package, gases will change, thus producing lower concentration of oxygen and higher concentration of carbon dioxide than that in the fresh air, and thus retard the ripening. The modified atmosphere storage is the development of the modified atmosphere around the product through permeable polymeric film. It is an expensive method compared to controlled atmosphere storage. In modified atmosphere storage, there is an alteration in the composition of gases in and around the fresh produce by respiration and transpiration. When such commodities are sealed in plastic film, these film restrict an accumulation and transmission of respiratory gases and result in the accumulation of carbon dioxide and depletion of the oxygen around the product produce that increase storage life. This method is used for produce that have high commercial value and require constant attention during transit and use and storage for higher returns. Atmosphere inside the sealed plastic film bag depends on the characteristic of the package material used, inside environment and respiration rate of produce. Changes in the gas content may take some time to reach equilibrium, and speed of atmosphere changes can be accelerated by flushing with nitrogen, or pack can be connected to a vacuum pump or remove air so that respiratory gases change fast within the pack. Then advantage of MA storage: the retardation of maturation, ripening and senescence during the storage by arresting respiration. Then control of chilling injury, especially due to the low temperature. Then reduce incidences and severity of disease causing organisms like fungi, bacteria, insect and pest. Then reduce incidence of physiological disorder and other defects. Then reduce the sensitivity to ethylene. Then modified atmosphere and control atmosphere within oxygen concentration less than or equal to 1% and carbon dioxide more than or equal to 5% have insecticidal and fungistatic effect. Then hyperbaric storage system. This storage chamber is placed under low pressure through vacuum application. Reduction in pressure decrease partial pressure of oxygen and its availability to produce. The reduction in partial pressure of oxygen and its availability to produce. The reduction in the partial pressure of oxygen is proportionally to the reduction in pressure. As the produce in the hyperbaric storage is constantly respiration, atmosphere within the store should be constantly monitored. A vacuum pump is used for evacuating air, and stored atmosphere is constantly replacing from the outside air. Air inlet and air evacuation are balanced to achieve required low pressure. Then advantage of hyperbaric storage: oxygen level in the store can be accurately and easily achieved by simply measuring reservoir inside the store within a vacuum gauge with reduced cost of operation. Then constant removal of the ethylene gas from the storage is also achieved, which checks ripening of store fruit and vegetable. So this is all about the storage of the fruits and vegetable. Thank you.